gosh.
It's a revolution. It's a revolution.
Guys, I'm Rafael Romero. Today I'm gonna explain about different types of memory, EEPROM, RAM, and ROM, and its definition. Thank you. Okay, hello guys. I'm gonna explain to you the three types of memory: ROM, RAM, and EEPROM. First off, I'm gonna start with ROM. This is a short video of ROM. I'm gonna explain this to you very clearly and briefly. ROM stands for read-only memory. Okay. ROM is a non-volatile memory. This must be A, not on. Okay. Typo error. ROM is a non-volatile memory, which means that when your desktop or your laptop accidentally shut off, your data that's stored in it will not be deleted. Okay, next one is ROM can store the data permanently. Once you transfer data on your ROM, it stays. It cannot be deleted anymore. Okay, it stays there forever. Buti pa nga yung ROM may forever kami. Ay, site. Joke na. Okay, next one tayo. The data cannot be modified as it writes on ROM. Chill. Yan, eto muna. The data cannot be modified as it writes on ROM. Once you transfer your data on the ROM, it cannot be modified or edited. It stays as it is. ROM is not used for larger memory. Some paano ba to explain? Some ROM does not reach. I think most of the ROM does not reach gigabyte or tama gigabyte. I have ROM and it only has 700 to 800 MB. Hindi siya katulad ng DVD, which it can reach up to 1 gigabyte but more. But CD-ROM, ROM can only store less data. It is only good for storing some of your pictures, your documents, like that. Okay, this is an example. Today I'm gonna show you some pictures of example of CD-ROM. This is CD-ROM. Yan, CD-ROM yan. Kulay din siya, Hall of Fame CD-ROM. Next one is this ROM is one of the first ROM invented here. Yan, black and white pa siya. Okay. I'm gonna pause for a while. The next video is about ROM. Stay there. I'm gonna explain it to you. I'm not done yet. Just stay there. Okay, bye guys. Hey guys, I'm back again. Today I'm gonna explain to you what is RAM. Is very quick and clearly explanation. What is RAM? Random access memory. A type of computer data storage that makes it possible to access data in random order, which means that it can find a specific piece of information very quickly, no? So the more RAM you have, the more application you can open simultaneously. Alright, then RAM is a volatile memory, no? So kung yung ROM is non-volatile, ang RAM naman is volatile memory. That the stored data information is lost when there's no power, no? So when your desktop or laptop accidentally shut off, your data will be lost. It is used to store information when a computer is running, but it does not store any information permanently. No, so yun. Tama. Tama naman siya. And okay, so ba yun? So itong picture na to, so this picture is one of the earliest form of RAM. Ang laki niya pa. It is very big. Unlike the modern RAM like this, okay, this picture is the modern RAM. Okay, unlike, if I compare it to the picture that I showed to you a while ago, compared it to this, no, it is very small, unlike the other one which is very big. So it's done. I'm gonna pause again for a while and explain to you my last video about EEPROM. Okay, bye guys. I'm back again. This is the last video for my discussion about memory. This is EEPROM. I'm gonna explain to you a quick and clear explanation. Okay. EEPROM, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory, is user-modifiable read-only memory that can be erased and reprogrammed repeatedly through the application of higher than normal electrical voltage. Unlike ROM, which is non-volatile memory, even when you store your data there, it can be deleted, it can be modified. But EEPROM, when you store your data there, it can be deleted or reprogrammed or be modified again and again and again. EEPROMs do not need to remove from the computer to be modified. However, an EEPROM chip has to be erased and reprogrammed in its entirety, not selectively. It also has a limited life. So once you use your EEPROM repeatedly, its life will tagalogin ko na lang, kapag ginamit mo siya ng paulit-ulit, unti-unti siyang masisira. Okay, sana tayo. In an EEPROM that is frequently reprogrammed while the computer is in use, the life of the EEPROM can be an important design consideration. So, yung nga sabi niya, important factor din ang life ng EEPROM kapag sa future design ng mga EEPROM, no, kasi yung nga sisira once you use it 100 of times. And EEPROM can be modified with the use of PC voltages for erasure and reprogramming information. Okay, I'm gonna show you some pictures of it. EEPROM is this small chip in your PC. Yan siya, no? Diyan siya nakalagay. No? Pwede siyang ma-remove, pwede siyang matanggal, pwede siyang mabalik ulit, ganun. Yan. Okay. So, yun na. Last na yun, no? And it's done. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening again. I hope you enjoy and hope you learn something with this short video of mine. Thank you guys. Bye.